Hey, Jimbo Marshall here with you, and yes, it's true. And today I'm cutting through all the marketing malarkey to talk about something that can seriously change your business. Forget about complicated funnels, and listen, I love a funnel. Forget about expensive sales pages, and I love a sales page. Forget about all those marketing gurus that keep telling you that you just need 47 different types of content, and I love those marketing gurus. But here's the truth. You only need 3 specific videos to start bringing in clients consistently. Look, I've helped over 3,000 entrepreneurs with their video marketing, and I've noticed something interesting, okay? The businesses that get the best results aren't the ones with the fanciest production or the most complex strategies. They're the ones that nail these 3 core videos that build human connection. So let me break it down for you. Video number 1, the problem solution video. This is where you're going to identify a specific pain point that your ideal client has, agitate that pain just a little bit, and then present your solution. It's not that complicated. For example, if you're a productivity coach, you might say something like, feeling overwhelmed with your to-do list, that constant feeling of being behind can lead to burnout and resentment. Here's a simple time blocking technique I teach my clients that can change everything. Now, this video works because it shows prospects you understand their struggle. You're not selling, you're solving. All right, so video number 2, the credibility video. This is where most people get stuck because they think they need to brag. You don't. Instead, share a client success story or a personal transformation story that positions you as someone who can get results. I worked with a client who was just like you. She was struggling with X. She tried everything, nothing worked. Then we implemented this approach, and within 2 weeks, she experienced Y result, right? Notice there's no need to list your credentials or rewards. Results speak louder than resumes. And video number 3, the process video. This is a bit of a secret weapon. Most entrepreneurs actually never create this, but it's often what can tip someone over from interested to ready to buy. Walk through exactly what it's like to work with you. What happens first? Then what? What kind of support do they get? This removes the uncertainty that keeps people from taking the next step. When you sign up, here's exactly what happens. First, you'll get an email with your welcome packet. Then we'll schedule your 90-minute strategy call where we'll map out a personalized plan. After that, ... right? Now, here's the other thing about this. People don't buy the process. They're buying the destination. They buy the outcome. So when you're walking people through that process, keep circling back to so that you will be able to, so that you can, right? Because people buy the results, not the process, but it helps if they can see what they're going to go through. Now, here's the good news. These 3 videos work in any industry because they address the 3 questions every prospect has. Can you solve my problem? Have you done it before? And what exactly will happen if I work with you? And here's the best part. You don't need fancy equipment or professional editing to create these 3 videos. You just need to follow me. And of course, be authentic. I remember working with a health coach who was struggling to fill one of her programs. Beautiful website, beautiful professional photos, right? The works. But she wasn't getting the clients that she wanted. So I scrapped all that polished marketing. We created these 3 simple videos using her laptop camera. And within 2 weeks, she had enrolled 4 new clients. Same offer, same price. The only difference, we used these videos to create a human connection that her fancy marketing could not. So here's my challenge to you. Which of these 3 videos will you create first? Choose one. Make it this week. And I promise you, you'll start seeing a difference in how people respond to your marketing. Now, if you want to create all 3 of these videos and actually make them good, hey, join me at my upcoming 3-day event. It's virtual, ready for your close-up. And here's a little bonus. If you want to create all 3 of these videos and actually make them good, I know you do, join me at my upcoming 3-day event, ready for your close-up. Because we just won't talk about what makes great videos at that event. We're actually going to create them together with my step-by-step guidance. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? By the end of our 3 days together, you'll have your own client-attracting video sequence ready to go, plus the confidence to create more videos whenever you need them. So grab your spot. The tickets are selling out. I mean, it's a virtual event, so I'm going to take as many people as I can get, but I would love to have you there. And here's the truth. The difference between you and the big names in the industry isn't talent, it's visibility. So let's change that together.